Welcome to Decor Insider, where we explore the beauty of modern living. In today's video, we are diving into luxury modern bedroom design ideas, spaces that blend comfort, style, and elegance. A bedroom is more than a place to sleep. It is your personal retreat where peace meets sophistication. From soft lighting to rich textures, every detail plays a role in creating a cozy yet upscale atmosphere. Whether you are decorating a new home or upgrading your current space, these ideas will help you design a bedroom that feels like a five-star hotel, right inside your home. A luxury modern bedroom starts with simplicity and balance. Choose a calm color palette. Shades of beige, cream, or gray work perfectly as a base. These tones make your room feel clean, open, and relaxing. Add depth with small accents like gold details, dark wood, or soft pastel touches. The bed is the centerpiece of any luxury room. Go for an upholstered or velvet headboard with fine stitching. Use high-quality bedding with layers, crisp sheets, plush duvets, and decorative cushions to make your bed feel inviting and elegant. Lighting is key to setting the right mood. Combine warm ambient lights with accent lighting. Add pendant lamps or LED strips behind the headboard for a gentle glow. A chandelier or statement ceiling light can bring a touch of glamour without feeling too heavy. Textures also define luxury. Mix materials like silk curtains, wool rugs, and marble or glass side tables. These small contrasts create visual richness and comfort. If you have space, add a sitting corner or a sleek dressing area with a large mirror. Keep decor minimal. Think framed art, candles, or indoor plants that add calm energy without clutter. Finally, maintain good organization and balance. Hidden storage, smooth surfaces, and uncluttered layouts make your bedroom look elegant and serene. A luxury modern bedroom is all about harmony, where every element works together to bring comfort, beauty, and peace to your everyday life.